regular polygons, we consider the following. For exterior, we have 360 over n is the number of the sides of the polygon. While for the interior, we have minus n minus 2 over n multiplied to 180. Here are some examples to compute the interior and exterior angle. Our objective is to find the exterior and interior angle of the hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides, so 180 because hexagon has 6 sides. Then minus 2 equals 4. And divided by 6. We minus the 6 by 2 equals 4. So 180 multiplied by 4 is 720 over 6. And divided by 6 is 120. The interior angle of our hexagon is 120 degrees. In exterior, the formula is 360 divided by n. N is the number of sides, so we have 360 divided by 6. The answer is 60. So 60 is the exterior angle of hexagon.
Our another topic is the circumference and area of the circle. To find the circumference, the formula is 2 times pi times radius, while area's formula is pi radius squared. Now our objective is to find the circumference and area of a circle with a radius of 45 centimeters. So 2 times 3.14 because pi is equivalent to 3.14. Times 45 because 45 is the radius of the circle. So 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. Times 45 is 282.6. So the circumference of the circle is 282.6 squared. Next to compute is area. So 3.14 times 45 squared. We will first times 45 to itself because it is raised to the power of 2. So 45 times 45 is 2025. Times 3.14, the answer is 6,358.5. Ganda na. The area of the circle is 6,358.5 squared. Next topic is the area of trapezoid. To find its area, we consider the following formula. 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times height. Our objective is to find the area of trapezoid. The base 1 is 3 cm. Base 2 is 7 cm. and the height is 3 centimeter. We will put 1/2 and 1/2, then 3 plus 7 times 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10 times 3 is 30. We will multiply 1/2 to 30, 1/2 times 30 over 1. We cancel 1 and divide 30 by 2. The answer is 15. So the area of trapezoid is 15 centimeters squared. So, our next topic is the area of parallelogram. To find its area, we consider the following formula. The formula is base times to height. Now, our objective is to find the area of parallelogram with the base of 5 cm and a height of 3 cm. So 5 times 3 is